In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import CSV files into Glide. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. The first step is to open your browser and go to Glide. Once you're on the Glide website, click on the Login button. After you've logged into your Glide dashboard, you'll want to click New App. From the options presented, select Import File. Then, click Continue. Now, you'll click Choose a File. This will open a window where you can browse your computer and locate the CSV file you want to import. Select the file and then click Open. After selecting your file, click Continue. Glide will then begin uploading and processing your CSV file. Just wait a few moments while Glide automatically creates your app. Once the import is complete, Glide will automatically open the app editor for you. Take a moment to review the generated app. You'll notice that Glide has intelligently created a data table using your CSV data. To check this, click on Data in the top menu. Here, you can review the imported columns and check that each column contains the correct information, verifying that Glide assigned the proper data types. If any of your column names aren't clear, feel free to rename them to make them easier to understand. It's also a good idea to review several rows of data to confirm everything imported correctly. Next, let's return to the Layout Editor. Look at the navigation panel on the left side of your screen. Glide automatically creates a screen using your imported data, so click on that screen to see how it looks. You can then experiment with different layout styles in the right sidebar. Options include cards, list, table, data grid, checklist, calendar, and Kanban. Switch between these layouts to find the best visual fit for your data. Now, it's time to test the app by using Preview mode. Open several records to verify that all information appears correctly and check for any missing values or formatting issues. If you notice anything that needs correcting, simply return to the Data section and make those adjustments. You can also remove any unwanted columns or sample records at this stage. Take another look at the overall layout and user experience. Double-check all the content and make any final adjustments if needed. When you're happy with your app, click Publish in the top right corner. Your CSV file has now been successfully imported into Glide and transformed into a working app. You can now copy your app link and share it with your users. Thanks for watching. If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.